Braised mackerel recipe. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to make a classic Korean dish, JCDuo, which is braised mackerel. It's a flavorful and slightly sweet dish that's popular in Korean cuisine. Let's dive into the recipe and learn how to make it at home. Ingredients. Let's begin by looking at the ingredients you'll need to make braised mackerel. 2 mackerel fillets, 1 onion, thinly sliced, 1 carrot, julienne, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 to 3 slices of ginger, 2 to 3 green chili peppers, optional, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin rice wine, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, a pinch of black pepper, sesame seeds and green onions for garnish optional. Cooking steps. Step 1. Prepare the mackerel. Start by preparing the mackerel fillets. Rinse them and pat them dry with a paper towel. Make shallow cuts on both sides of the fillets to help them absorb the flavors. Season them with a pinch of black pepper. Step 2. Saute the aromatics. Heat a large pan or a shallow pot over medium heat. Add vegetable oil and then add the minced garlic, ginger, and optional green chili peppers. Saute until fragrant. Step 3. Create the sauce. In a bowl, mix together soy sauce, sugar, and mirin. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Step 4. Braise the mackerel. Place the mackerel fillets in the pan, on top of the sauteed aromatics. Add the sliced onions and julienne, carrots, around the fish. Pour the sauce over the fish and vegetables. Add a cup of water to the pan. Step 5. Simmer. Cover the pan with a lid and let the mackerel simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is fully cooked and the sauce has thickened. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Once the mackerel is cooked and the sauce has thickened, garnish with sesame seeds and green onions if desired. JCDuo is traditionally served with steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade Korean braised mackerel. Conclusion. And that's it. You've learned how to make Korean braised mackerel, a delicious and satisfying dish that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed preparing and savoring this dish at home. That wraps up our video on making braised mackerel. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!